fucking stupid. Oh. Unnecessarily, eh? All by itself. So, here, my friend, we have this. This is pinus buds, o mugur de pin în românește. This is quite literally liquid gold because you put sugar on it. These bad boys, you slap them in jar and forget about them. 2 months later you have syrup for lung, for heart very good, for voice very good, for everything. This is the best shit there is.
So this is like a universal medicine
Yes,
type of deal.
this is no universal medicine. No exist universal medicine. This is very good for smokers. And here, my friend, on this other side, you can see nature basically. It's beautiful. It's clean air. Is mwah.
Ah, fuck. I'm actually happy I'm recording in MP4 format because it's gonna be just, we have like 2 hours of doing whatever the fuck.
We are approaching a very nice zone in the what the fuck is the word, man? The nuclearly irradiated zone that is here. And very much uranium was here, very much uranium, but it all got smoked away. So let me just hear you better, okay? So see those panels over there? Yes. That is where we going right now. Yes.
Okay, very well.
Okay. Good.
I'm following you.
Step with step.
Of course.
Oh shit. Maybe mushrooms here.
So what are you hunting again?
Today we are hunting 4 mushroom species.
Okay.
Out of which 1 species is very rare, exceedingly rare. Another one of them is a boletus. So it's the first boletus of the season. It's a suilus something. And then the other 2 species of mushrooms, we can't really talk about those.
Okay. So those are not really the normal type.
I don't know. I'm not from Let's look here. We have chances of finding 2 of the species that we are hunting, but from what it looks like here now, there's not much of anything yet to find. No, nothing here, okay. So the species we hunting here near pine trees, near pinus trees, is Morchella esculenta and Morchella conica. Choice edibles, and they are the morels. The common name for them is the morels. They are really tasty. Like, oh my fucking god, they are tasty. Let's put clean of the marker. The lemon. This little calvatia, I don't know what calvatia it is, but looks like a gigantea or something. It is popped off. This is from last year. If you look inside the mushroom, you can see the spores just spores. Called basically a zombie mushroom.
Who would this say? It's a zombie mushroom. Pretty fucking cool though. So all that inside is spores, you say?
Yes. Lots of unborn baby mushroom cells.
So I just need to let it down where it was, right?
Yeah. What I thought was of interest, but this is just a little wood growing mushroom.
Oh, okay.
It grows on wood. It is not of interest.
Sincer, nu. Nu pare să fie ceva în particular.
Întrebarea, la Bureț oare ai fost? Found something. Found something, but I have no clue what this is. This is a mushroom. Uite.
Find something?
Yes.
What is it?
Finally found something.
No way!
Finally found something.
Find something else?
Not yet.
Okay.
Only works, Ce, ai găsit tu ceva sau? să frumos, urcăm pe acolo și am
This is spectral fucking forest, it's twirled.
Asta are și reputație. În asta și eu am pățit chestii.
O răpă. Lol. Aici s-o defrișat sau au căzut efectiv?
M-au căzut.
Au căzut.
So, we rolling, mai este ceva.
We're rolling, we're rolling.
So now we have to cross the valley in front of us. Yeah, I even saw some mushrooms right there on that tree. So we have the spore pattern here.
Mm-hmm.
It's a maize gill, a ash maize gill by the looks of it. It's white, of course. I don't know. I think it changes color with time, becoming more of a brown fungi. Maybe get algae growing on it. Still, usually smells really nice, reminiscent of very reminiscent of Hydnum dentinum.
Have you seen how bent those trees are?
Yeah, they're pretty bent. They're pretty bent.
Never seen something like this. Ever.
Just like your mama that rat.
Shut up, man. So maybe you can tell me more about this place?
Yeah, actually this is a haunted forest as far as the fall tales go. I've known this forest for some, I think half of my life, yeah. Some like 13, 14 years at least. And there's all sorts of mushrooms here. If you were to follow in that direction, like straight in that direction, you would reach a wonderful lake, a chemical exploitation lake. Right now it's April, so not many mushrooms, not many fungi, and certainly not many haunting spirits to harass us and to make our life worse.
Okay, understood. You can see those two specimens around here, like those are not straight. Those are twirled as fuck. But anyways, let's continue.
Here in front of me, that's it, the forest. There have been a lot of rituals here. There's been witch folk who are claimed to have had rituals right where we are standing right now. Like here would be the fire, and seated around it, people doing what I just said earlier.
Well, this tree here is...
Wake the forest up, as per folk belief. Wake up the forest and incite the spirit within. Pretty fucking wild is that. Yeah, those are like actual claw marks.
Yeah, claw marks.
There's one more here or so, but yeah, this looks like a countdown or something.